Hey YouTubers, it's Ronan here with my bar channel where I'm either building it, assembling it, repairing it, or just replacing it. What I'm going to be doing today is cleaning my HST screen, and I'm going to use the bolt plug method. The bolt plug is this plug that's used to plug a bolt right here, and it fits perfectly in the screen hole. So I'm going to use this plug once I pop the screen out to clean that screen. So what you need to get is a 12mm socket. A wrench won't work, a socket would work. So you want to remove the 12mm bolt that's holding the screen in place. Once the bolt is removed, it's a little bit difficult to remove the screen because I believe there's a vacuum that's been created in the chamber. And if you pop the dipstick, it'll probably let some air in and equalize the pressure. So I used a screwdriver, I used pliers, just trying to get the screen to pull out. It would rotate, but it would not pull out. Also, there's an O-ring that's there that's keeping the fluid from leaking. So probably the O-ring too is another thing that's preventing this screen from coming out very easy. Once I broke it free, I was able to twist it. I had to use one hand to pull this out and the same hand to pop that bolt plug in. So I lost a little bit of fluid, but it was due to my fault since my tractor has a backhoe and I was too lazy to remove the backhoe to remove my screen, and it took up a lot of space in the back of the tractor, so I couldn't adequately get under the tractor to work on it. So should you try to use this bolt plug method, you would want to make sure if you have a backhoe, you remove it. You will gain a lot more workspace just to pop that screen out and pop that bolt plug in. But since I had to change the fluid anyway, I decided to do a beta test on how this bolt plug method worked just for cleaning the screen only. There's guys that use different methods such as vacuum and stuff like that. However, I wanted to try this bolt plug method and see how it works. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think about this bolt plug method. I know it can work if it's done right. However, I didn't do it right, and you can see my mistake. So like, share, and subscribe for future video coming up on my YouTube channel. Over and out.